Exploring the phrase, light wind. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we'll delve into the phrase, light wind. Have you ever wondered what exactly it means or how to use it correctly? By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it in various contexts. Let's first break down the phrase. 1. Light. In this context, light is an adjective. It can describe something that is not heavy or something that is gentle or soft in intensity. 2. Wind. A natural movement of air outside. When we combine these two words, light wind refers to a gentle or soft movement of air outside. It's not strong or forceful, but rather calm and delicate. To better understand light wind, it's useful to know how it compares to other terms related to wind strength. 1. Calm, virtually no wind. 2. Light wind, gentle breeze. You might see leaves rustling or small flags moving slightly. 3. Moderate wind, stronger than a light wind. Trees sway a bit more. 4. Strong wind. Trees sway significantly, and it might be challenging to use an umbrella. 5. Gale, even stronger, often causing disruptions. 6. Storm, extreme wind speeds, potentially dangerous. As you can see, light wind is quite mild in this spectrum. Let's see how light wind can be used in various contexts. 1. There's a light wind today, perfect for a picnic. 2. With the light wind blowing, it felt refreshing to be outside. 3. I prefer days with a light wind as opposed to those very windy days. Understanding phrases like light wind helps you navigate and describe the world around you better. Remember, a light wind is a gentle or soft movement of air outside. We hope this explanation has shed some light on the phrase for you. Keep exploring the beauty of the English language, and we'll see you in the next video.